Have a few little adorable shots of the birds in my backyard. And then there was apple and ripening plums. There's another batch up here too. Headed out to my flower garden today. I was gonna cut some flowers, but I can't get through because there's this tree. So, I mean, I may still cut some flowers, but I think it's probably going to be a chainsaw kind of a day. Right, Cece? A chainsaw kind of a day. Yes? And I did eventually get to pick some flowers. And we'll close with a few shots of the nighttime wildlife. Some raccoons and a possum that we're visiting. Good night, little raccoons.